My bad. I'm on here today. I'm about to fix my car. I'm about to put a new air filter in my car. My mechanic was here earlier, and he showed me what to do. All I gotta do is do it. He had me go and get the parts, and I'm about to be Superwoman. I'm about to put this air filter in my car. See what I do. I'll probably end up a dirty mess. Now, it's a very simple process. So he says, all right. So, sit you guys up here. All right, so. He says I just needed a T20 screwdriver, that is. And we can get this done. Sorry about that, y'all. Where'd it go? Don't know what I'm doing. It's hot though. These screws is hot. Ooh. It's 40 screws here. How y'all week been going so far? I know last time I was on here with my little bro, little BC, singing. That's something that he wanted to do. He wanted to sing that song for you guys. I was trying to find something R&B, but you know, little man want to do what little man want to do. All right. But I've been cool. Just been working it out, you know, having 2 jobs and everything. I don't have time to do a lot of stuff. It ain't that I didn't have time for this. It's just that I was trying to rethink how I can come about it in a different way. I just feel like I wasn't getting anywhere with this, and I wanted to rethink it a little bit and see if I wanted to continue to do it. But I think that I do. That's why I got on here to talk to you guys today. Bring this over here, let you guys see it. Well, I'm getting all dirty. So, if I can get it open. Now, dude gave me an orange one. I'm guessing that doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna let you guys see what I'm doing here. So I got the screws out here, and it just goes under here. That's simple. If I can't do this, I'm an idiot. I just place it down in here, I guess. It's that easy. It's that easy. Ooh, that was easy. It's so hard for me not to wipe my hands on my clothes. Got light jeans on. My outfit is really dope though, to be honest. I got the flu games on today with my Bulls shirt that I got from Rue 21. This is a dope shirt, and it's got this little slit right here. I actually wore this to work today at my shoe store. I'm gonna finish putting this in here. So, put the screws back in. Yeah, I had to actually, you know, This actually cost me around like $30. Air filters are not. Yeah. I just not put it in. Sorry, y'all. Mom interrupted me. My broadcast here. Too pretty for this. Get these screws back in. It's not going in. Having a little trouble with the screws. The screws in. I think I look cute today. Comment if you think I'm cute. Say it in the comments. Oh, there we go. Oh, no wonder I'm not using the right one. That would, you know what? That makes a lot of sense. I guess if I was using the right screwdriver, it would have went in by now. Come on, baby. Come on. Simple. I thought this was gonna take a minute. Shoot, just. If I had one of these like my mechanic had, he had that one that like automatic a little bit, like the way it turned. But this is really simple. He said that I could drive without it, but I didn't want to do all that. Now my hands is way smaller than his, so I should be able to get this screw down in here. But again, he's a pro at this. I am not. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, like I said, y'all, just been working. Actually thinking about applying for a new job in the same field, with the phones, same electronic field, just a different place that gives me a better opportunity to actually make some money at what I'm doing. You know, right now I love what I do. I just do not love who I do it for. So I gotta fix that. You know, we're just gonna have to either sit down and have a talk about it, or you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do. Gotta do what gets me that money though. That's what it's about. And I mean, it ain't about the money, because at the end of the day, in life, it's not about the money. It's really about what makes you happy. I would rather have a job that paid $7.25, that made me happy, that I wanted to be at every day, and have a job that paid me $15 an hour, because I've been there and done that. And to be honest, having a job that makes you feel good is actually better than that. Having a job that allows you to spend time with your family is better than any of that. Having a job that still allows me to go to church is better than any of that. So like right now I got that, and I have a job, 2 jobs that allow me to do that. The shoe store I work at, I am a manager at that store, and I'm a part-time manager, so it still allows me to be able to go to church and stuff like that every Sunday, because it's about the Lord, y'all. It's all about the Lord. Hold up, where's my car key? I don't know where's my car. Oh, here it is. You know, at this the phone store, I just started back in May, and I'm still learning. It's fun, but I also know that I'm just going to use this as experience to be in a position where I can make myself a manager and get me to better positions. You know, who knows? Soon I may not even need to have a job like that. But you know, cause you know it's not at all what I mean. I love helping people, so helping people every day, that's fun for me. I love customer service. I love working with commission. I get commission on both jobs. You know, I just know that I control my paycheck, so I make as much as I want to do. So I can't blame anybody but myself for my circumstances, and that's exactly why I love commission. I love it. Sometimes, you know, it doesn't bother me, like the steady paycheck thing doesn't bother me because I already know my hourly is enough to cover myself. So cool, Gucci. But you know, just gotta, you know, make it happen and do what it do. uh I'm gonna hop back on here very, 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 very soon with you guys. I'm not gonna go as long as I did. I'm not making the video as I did this time, but I'm gonna be back, y'all.